Welcome to this assembly of awareness that inspires us, that has given us today the mindful, impactful message. Be away from the drugs. Special thanks to our Sandeep sir, who is known for such type of wonderful creating environment and atmosphere. And equally special thanks to class 9th, who took keen interest in it, came up with courage to display a very good live demonstration. No word was exchanged, but the message was bold and clear. Chart presenters, thoughts, anchors. Dear students, this is a very gruesome problem, especially among the young ones. Here the name has been taken of metropolitan cities, but it is a shocking fact. Now it has taken the entry in the small villages and small towns like Pali also. Many lives, they have been destroyed. The students who were supposed to pursue their dreams of becoming MBA CA, they are now in healing centers. The old parents are taking care of them, and the heavy expensive medical bills are being paid by EMI by the parents because of one very bad company and intake of drugs. Yes, my dear lovely students, be away. This is horrific. This is terrific. This is horrible. Heart-threatening. One wonderful poem was presented just now, in that the message is very clear that initially it will be provided to you in a good company. Just take. Once you take, you will enjoy. You are in depression, this will be converted into celebration. Please take once, one shutta, one peg, one kash, and you'll be relaxed. Don't know, you'll be relaxed or you'll be perplexed forever. Small habits, they convert into nature, and then you become drug addict. The addiction of anything is bad. Especially, say no to drugs. If you love your parents, say no to drugs. If you love your career, say no to drugs. If you love your society, say no to drugs. If you love your school, say no to drugs. If you love yourself, say no to drugs. Because saying yes to the drugs will open the gateways of the hell forever to you. And once when you get the entry in the hell, there is no return back. You have to go, and you will end in such a disastrous and a fatal way that you can never even think and imagine of. My dear lovely students, love yourself. Your life is very priceless. You are the dream for someone. You have dreams, but you are the dream of someone. Because of you, there is a glitter and a shining in someone's eyes. Those eyes who are awaiting for you to see you prosperous, to see you happy, progressing in the life. So be always surrounded in a good company. Take the best guidance and say no to such type of evils. Hope you will follow these things. Thank you so much. Special thanks, and let's put our hands together for 9th. Wonderful grade 9th.